tell me which one do you want me to post to more interesting for you guys. Please do share, okay? Bitch.
So my mom basically took over the vlog. Today I'm gonna, not really today, tonight I'm going to show you what I'm gonna be packing to go to Miami. I'm gonna be there from Monday to Wednesday, June 28th to 30. And I just finished playing volleyball and it's currently 9:10 here, and my flight tomorrow is at 6:30, so I have to be at the airport around 4 because it's like 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna wear the and yeah, I'm gonna be packing and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna pack. I basically need to shower because I'm probably not gonna be showering in the morning.
Did you turn off the aircon up in the room?
So
don't turn it off, it's too hot! Gosh! Open it!
I'm gonna do some transition for you.
Sir, please!
So hey guys, I showered now and we can start basically packing. I'm leaving around 4 or 5 hours. I don't know why I'm cramming the packing, but I like packing the day before. I don't know why, maybe it's just me, but yeah, let's get packing together. Oh, it's so bright. So before I pack, I need to take this stain out. I played volleyball. I don't know why you can see, but it's my pants. I played volleyball tonight and I'm gonna use the shout thing. Why is it not focusing? It's so bright. And I just need to take this out. Like, bro, I think there's another one on the other side. At least it's just small over there. But yeah, let me take this stain out and then I'll start packing. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do the airport outfit. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear because I'm just confused all the time, but let's come up with something. So hey guys, so this is probably gonna be my airport outfit. I don't know yet, but this is gonna be my airport outfit and probably my dinner because I don't really know what to wear. Ooh, my brother is sexy over there. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the outfit. So this is gonna be sexy. This is basically gonna be wearing. So it's just gonna be my linen pants, my shoes, and it's just a green top, like a dinner outfit. Yeah, and then I'm gonna change it to. So it's probably gonna be my airport outfit, and then I'm just gonna switch in the middle, so watch it. So this is basically what I'm talking about. I'm gonna wear probably the top, and under that I'll probably wear my swim shorts. So it's just gonna be like this, and be at the beach like in Monday. And then I'm probably gonna take this out, like swim, like hey, what's up? And then at night I'll probably like wear this with the thing that I showed you earlier. And yeah, I think that's gonna be for Monday. And I'm probably gonna do so Monday, so airport, Monday night, Tuesday morning I have an outfit already. Okay, now it's just gonna be Tuesday night. Let's see what I'm gonna come up with. Hey guys, so sorry for the mess at the back. I'm doing my second outfit. This is probably gonna be me Tuesday morning, the whole day in the afternoon to like walk around Miami. And yeah, this is gonna be my outfit. It's gonna be paired with like a shirt, a cream t-shirt. And then it's gonna be a cream t-shirt, my bag, tote bag, it's khakis, and yeah. I thrifted this outfit. Yeah, I basically thrifted this. I thrifted the shirt. I thrifted the tote bag and also my pants. It's Levi's. I don't know if you can see, but it's Levi's. So yeah, secondhand clothing. So yeah, and let's do more outfits. Hey guys, I'm back again. So this is probably gonna be my, I don't know what, first, second, fourth outfit. I don't really know, I'm not keeping track. So this is gonna be like a top with like that. Maybe like party. Maybe it's gonna be like that. Yeah, this is gonna be my 4th, 5th outfit. I'm not really sure. And yeah, maybe one more outfit. Let's see. So yeah, my mom. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my quick packing trip to Miami. I'm probably gonna get more of my. I didn't even. I'm probably gonna use my. I think this is my mom's keepall bag. It's keepall 45. I think it's gonna be a good bag for like the weekend. It's just a small bag, and yeah, hopefully everything fits, or I will be in trouble and I'm gonna be having to pay. And yeah, join me on my next video. You know, join me in Miami for my next video. So bye.